In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and great Notion support services to enhance your productivity and workflow. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Notion and hit enter. This will help you access the Notion website, a versatile platform that's perfect for personal productivity and team collaboration alike. Once the search results load, look for the official Notion website and click on it. After you've landed on the Notion homepage, you'll notice a login option on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one for free and start exploring all the features Notion has to offer. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your dashboard, where you can manage your existing pages or create new ones. To add a new page, look for the Add New button and click on it. A list of options will appear, and to keep things simple, select Empty Page. This gives you a blank canvas to organize your tasks, notes, or any other information you need to keep track of. With your new page open, you're now ready to start customizing it. A useful tip here is to make use of Notion's quick commands by typing a slash followed by the feature you want to use. For instance, type /image, and you'll see several options for adding images to your page. You can choose to upload an image directly from your computer, a handy way to personalize your content with specific visuals tailor-made for your needs. If you're looking for free-to-use images, click on Unsplash to browse a large selection of high-quality images sourced from the web. Choose the one that best fits your page's aesthetic. After your image is added, don't forget you can resize it to fit your design preferences by clicking and dragging the corners. Not only can you add images, but Notion also allows you to embed links and incorporate gifs. To embed a link, click in the intended area of your page and select the option to add a link. Paste the URL of the content you wish to embed. Alternatively, if you're looking to infuse some lighthearted fun into your page, add a GIF by clicking on the Giphy option. The ability to easily integrate different types of media makes Notion an exceptional tool for creating dynamic and visually engaging pages. That's all for today's quick guide on getting started with Notion via Google. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your productivity and collaborative efforts. Happy organizing!